Gamers, brace yourselves! This Tuesday, April 8th, Nintendo's dropping the ultimate bombshell. A full Nintendo Direct spilling all the Switch 2 tea, price, launch date, and the games that'll blow our minds. Is this a console we've been dreaming of? Stick around because the hype train's leaving the station. Mark it down, April 8th, 9 a.m. Eastern, Nintendo is going live with a 60-minute Direct, confirmed by the Big N themselves. After that January teaser showed off a sleek Switch 2 and a Mario Kart glimpse, we've been starving for decades. Now it's time. Price, release, and a game lineup that could redefine 2025 gaming. Let's break down what's coming. First up, how much is this bad boy gonna cost? The original Switch launched at $299 in 2017, but with beefier tech, like that rumored 7.9-inch 1080p screen and 4K dock output. Insiders are buzzing $449 as a sweet spot. Some say $399 if Nintendo keeps it lean, but tariffs could nudge it to $499 with a Mario Kart World Bundle. That's $150 more than the OG, but for magnetic Joy-Cons, 256 gigs of storage, and mouse controls? I'm listening. Pre-orders might even kick off April 9th. Wallets, get ready. Next, when is it dropping? Leaks point to June 5th, 8 years after the Switch revolutionized gaming. A summer launch is bold. Nintendo's dodging the holiday rush, giving early adopters first dibs before the big restock. Hands-on Switch 2 experience events start this month in New York and Paris, so June lights up perfectly. Imagine unboxing this beast by summer break. Mario Kart World on day one? Yes, please. Now the games, because hardware is nothing without killer titles. That new Mario Kart World with 24-player chaos is a lock for launch. Expect Metroid Prime 4, Beyond Rocking mouse controls and 4K flair, plus upgraded Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdom editions. Third-party heats coming too. Elden Ring Tarnished Edition, Hades 2, maybe even Borderlands 4, and whispers of a 3D Mario and GameCube classics on Switch Online. This lineup could be legendary. Why care? The Switch sold 150 million units. Switch 2's gotta top that with next-level social features like Game Chat and Power Boost to rival the PS4 Pro. Tuesday's Direct isn't just a reveal, it's Nintendo's battle cry for the next decade. Will it crush the Steam Deck? Steal PS5's thunder? We're finding out more in days, and I'm losing sleep over it.